Kovu and I are at the park today. It's a beautiful day. We're just taking a stroll next to the river. That's my big boy. Beautiful day today. Beautiful, beautiful. I saw a squirrel in the tree, and unfortunately with the lens that I currently have, it's not enough zoom to get a really clear shot of the squirrel, but I spent like 5 minutes with this squirrel, and the moment it noticed us, it started like hissing. So I got as many shots as I could. Hopefully it turns out in post editing, but yeah, here are some shots from the park and a shot of the squirrel.